road trip and they're trying to figure out the seatbelt.
Boy, if you don't.
We figured it out.
No,
it's just
they're
your car
dumb.
sucks.
They're
No,
dumb.
it's actually like stuck there. Like it's not moving.
Okay.
From...
Stop throwing stuff at me. Wait, what the?
Solid start to the day.
We are really close to Chincoteague, our first stop. We're getting, what's the lunch called? Something panini?
Chincoteague on the beach.
I just saw you looking lovingly into each other's eyes and we're gonna zoom in on that.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to this really good ice cream place called Island Creamery. It's ranked one of like top 10 ice cream stores in the US. It's on this random
But do they have lemonade?
Probably have lemonade ice cream.
Do you think there's horses here?
Am I invisible?
No, horses are extinct.
Yeah.
Wild horses are wild.
Wild horses are wild.
NASA! Sorry. Look. Okay, update. Maddie is pregnant with twins, and one is named Heckington. There he is.
He already came out a little early.
And the other one is named Kevin.
He's not present right now.
He wild.
But Heckington,
He party at home.
this is my son Heckington. He's very proper. Drink your thing again with your prop. Look at him being proper. Get him! Get him!
Sorry. Ooh, cheers.
Proper. And he's eating fancy cheese, he said, because he's a fancy boy.
Good old Heckington attending UVA in the fall. And then we have Harold. So.
To find someone whose last name is Savage for me to marry, so his name will be Hecking Savage. So if you know anyone, hit me up. Hi, we're at Island Creamery. It's so good. Yeah, I wasn't mad that night.
Like,
Ew, weird.
it's like Itsy Bitsy Spider. It's a spider. I don't know the rest of the words.
You don't know a lot of songs.
Bigger than this.
I don't know
I'm
the words.
Arrived at this refuge thing that cost us $20 to get in. Okay, anyway.
Look. Look at this.
Cute. Clover.
It's lit.
Clover.
The one park ranger over there is pretty
So
cute.
ridiculously close.
So I'm nervous to talk to him. Want to know where the ponies are though. How do you feel about this, Ruben?
I mean, cuteness of like 1 to like Hasselhoff. He's a hassle, but he's not a Hoff.
Hi. I saw a rock earlier with this.
A rock?
What am I?
We're going on a
Why'd you sound so
hike
absurd?
to find horses, and we all
Oh my
have
God,
flip-flops
you
on
just
except for
admitted that
Zach.
you got abused to me.
That's all.
Whose mans are these? Where did they come from? Where did they go? Where did they come from? Cotton Eye Joe. I'm vlogging from a distance and they don't know. I'm a savage. What the heck are they doing? They're so weird. I don't want to be associated with these hecking boys. He's the weirdest of all of them because he's wearing a disgusting hat.
This is where you're going to die.
I'll choke you. And then there's this. You've never seen her before. This is the woman behind the. Ew. I'm going to
That's
kill
why
him.
they've never seen me.
And he doesn't know it yet.
What are you whispering?
Because he can't hear me.
Go that way. Here, I'm gonna go this way and see if we bump into each other.
What the? Look at these. Ruben, look at me. Ruben.
They're beautiful.
We found a wild fox squirrel. And Shoddy is real thick. That's all I have to say. What do you have to say about this wild sighting?
Wow.
Wow. What do you have to say?
Like school. It looks like a ghost.
You really sound like Shaggy too. He looks like Shaggy. A friend. Hello. Oh, he runs. We love a queen. Claire was about to put this on my shirt. What a hoe. Okay, we found out. Where's the sign?
It's on this side.
Find out that this has chewy ice, and he just ate it. How was it?
It was just mini ice cubes. It wasn't chewy. It was the same thing.
So rate out of 10.
0 because it's not actually
savage.
chewy.
Update, we found a rainbow.
It's a double.
Is it?
No, look at
oh,
look
it
at the
is.
video.
Double
It is a rainbow. Yay! Okay, hold on.
Oh god.
Oh my god, no.
Do it for the vine.
Okay, we saw the end of the rainbow in real life. Like, it's right over there. I've never seen this before. The
Spoiler
gold.
alert. There is no gold.
I know. That's
It's a crosswalk.
You don't know we're not.
Why are you
over
so
there.
negative?
No,
It's
but it
in the
actually
cement.
is.
It means we have to drill the cement open.
So we have to dig
He's a
out
negative. Don't
Buried
listen to
treasure.
him. You're not allowed to be in the vlog anymore. Okay, Zach is our weatherman right now. Go.
Claire stuck her hand out the window, so I asked her to give me some rainwater. So I tasted it. Got the relative wind direction. It's heading. If we're driving, where are we driving? We're driving.
Forward.
No, I know we're driving forward, but we are going south. So the storm is coming from the east and heading to the west. But there's also a northern wind flow. So the storm's gonna just keep hitting us. That's all I'm gonna say.
Wow,
It's
okay.
died down a little though.
That was so much math. Do you have anything else to say, or does that conclude your weather report?
It's honestly not raining as much now, so I don't know. Maybe I'm
Were
wrong.
your calculations wrong? Was this all a lie?
My calculations were incorrect though.
It was an accident.
It was an accident.
Wow, I'm impressed. Weather report out. This is so cool looking. This is actually really artsy, guys.
Prettier than me.
A lot of things are prettier than you. Got him. Okay, we're storm chasing. It's actually very beautiful.
My name is Zach Anderson, and I approve this message.